Aqua workshop H2O Plus coming in January 17, 2021. So I'm really excited about being able to deliver these 4 workshops in one day virtually. And this will make it so it's accessible whether you live in Australia or you live in New Zealand or you live anywhere. So what am I covering off? I'm doing 4 workshops and a lot of them are around heart rate. So the first one is a shallow chest depth workout, which is called heart pumping H2O. Well, that's a great way to start the day. So I'll be going through how you work with recovery, how you work with moves, so that you can get intensity in the pool. Now, we talk a lot about intensity in the pool, but I'm not talking about HIIT training here. I'm talking about how you use moves to increase intensity rather than asking people to go faster or slower. The second workshop is called Frothy Foam Ideas. The dumbbell's been around forever, right? So I want to share with you some cool ways to use the dumbbell. We're going to be doing double dumbbells, we're going to do single dumbbells, and we're also going to use the wall. So I'm going to show you how you can use the wall in that session as well. The third session, which is a really dear workshop close to my heart, is called Aqua Revival, which is all about aqua with attitude. So using rhythms and using music tempos to create like a really bit of a, it's a showtime feel in the pool. So people have fun with it. They're having fun with the music and still getting a great workout. And it's not like it's a choreographed dance routine, but more about using it so that you can get people inspired to want to commit to the movement. And then finally, it's a deep water session. It's called Deep Force, and we're going to be using dumbbells, 2 dumbbells, and a noodle, no belt, in the deep water. So I'm going to show you how you can use these pieces of equipment to creatively come up with a workout that will keep your participants inspired and also working effectively in deep water. It's what I'm good at. I'm really good at sharing lots of cool ideas about how to get participants to buy into intensity and getting a exercise workout when they come to your session. So how much is it? 180 Australian dollars. When is it? It's from 10 a.m. till 3:30 Australian Eastern Daylight Time, and you will get 30 days access to the material post-workshop. But a little bonus, if you're a member of my Virtual with Marietta membership, you'll actually get lifetime access as long as you're a member when you sign up for the actual workshop. So how do you book into the workshop? Go to mariamahani.com, and I hope I get to see you on that virtual workshop day.